Factored form of a quadratic is y equals a times quantity x minus p times x, or quantity x minus q, where p and q are the x-intercepts. If you're given a graph that you want to be able to write the equation in factored form, you need to be able to easily identify the x-intercepts. In this case, our x-intercepts are negative 1, 0, and 3, 0. So we're going to substitute those in for p and q. It doesn't matter which one's used for p or q. You just need to pick one. So I substituted that in and simplified. The next step is to pick a point on your parabola that's not your x-intercept, sub that in for x and y, and solve for a. I like to try to use my y-intercept or my vertex if possible. In this case, I'm going to use a vertex at 1, negative 2, and substitute that in for x and y. And then we just simplify. We get 1 plus 1 times 1 minus 3. That's going to give us negative 2 equals a times 2 times negative 2, which gives us negative 2 equals negative 4 times a. Now you just divide both sides by negative 4, and you find your a value is 0.5. That makes sense with this parabola because your parabola opens up because your a value is positive, and it looks like it's slightly fatter than the parent function. So now you just need to take that a value and put it into factored form, and this is our equation in factored form.